Hello and welcome to our ETH NYC submission. Our project is called Rancho Del Vote. It stands for Ranked Choice Delegated Voting. My name is Kevin Weaver and I'm a senior blockchain engineer at Consensus on the Truffle team. I was joined by my wife, Carmen Weaver, a lead software engineer at Stitch Fix. Delegation is a great way to extend your voting power to someone that aligns with your values. Alice can hold tokens for a project that she believes in, but if she doesn't have time or the expertise to vote on every proposal, she can delegate the voting power of her tokens to Bob. Of course, if Bob doesn't vote on proposals, Alice's influence is wasted. Ranked choice delegated voting allows Alice to specify an ordered set of delegates, adjusting her votes down the list to an active delegate if her top choices miss a proposal. If Alice delegates to Bob, Charlie, and Denise, but chooses to vote on a proposal, she retains her voting power. Of course, if she misses a proposal, her voting power is weighted toward Bob. If Bob misses a proposal, it's weighted toward Charlie. And if Charlie misses the proposal, it's weighted toward Denise. This strategy could then be extended to quadratically weight the votes between multiple active voters if preferred. For this project, we built an ERC20 rank vote extension contract off of the Open Zeppelin library and a ranked choice delegation strategy on Snapshot. In Open Zeppelin, there is an existing ERC20 vote contract that allows addresses to delegate to an individual address. And unfortunately, this doesn't allow for multiple delegations. So we created an ERC20 rank vote contract alternative that instead allows you to delegate to an array of addresses. And then that array can be picked up by the UI and weighted properly. For the snapshot piece, we ran into some challenges based on limitations of the strategies that Snapshot allows you to create. So if we go over to Snapshot, if you've used it before, you'll notice that ranked choice delegated voting already exists. I'm sorry, ranked choice voting already exists within proposals. If I'm trying to decide what's for dinner, I can choose Chinese as my favorite, Italian as my second favorite, and McDonald's as my least favorite. And based on the outcome, when I choose to vote for this, my vote for the proposal will be weighted toward whatever ends up being my top pick. So if I look over on the right here, my weight is currently toward Chinese. And if this loses, it will then be weighted toward Italian. And if that begins to lose, it is weighted toward McDonald's. However, this doesn't take into account the idea of this same concept applying to delegates. So using strategies alone won't be enough to allow for the flexibility of delegated voting. So next, I'd like to work with Snapshot to finish the implementation of ranked choice delegation. I'd like to create an ERC 721 and 1155 extension, and I'd like to create a forkable UI app with delegated ranked choice user experience. I'd like to avoid a future where protocol politicians become the same jack of all trades, experts of none that exist in today's politics. I believe representative democracy scales better when influence is weighted toward those with the most understanding of the intricacies of each particular problem and project. Hopefully, ranked choice delegated voting can take us one step away from the tragedy of the commons toward the festival of the commons. Thanks.